Me and
Yeah.
Theo's behind the camera.
I'm behind the camera.
He sings to everything.
Yeah,
He
I know,
makes up
I know.
really weird
It's a
songs.
really annoying habit. Anyway, you guys probably have it. Nah,
So
nobody has it
today,
actually. Okay.
I'm gonna make up
A slime pet peeve.
video. And it's probably gonna be cringy on its own, really.
It's gonna be cringy with me in it.
Got making up his stupid songs.
Do, 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 do. I did that one on purpose.
You, you told me, Jake. By the way, that was a song in.
Cause I'm bad. I'm bad.
That's gonna get
You know.
copyrighted.
Is it actually?
I don't know. It's not because it's not song. It's not the real song. It's just sort of you singing it.
Rubbish.
So,
Anyway, let's start.
this first pet peeve is poking poke slime.
This slime is so annoying. It's got all over my hands.
Oh well, it's my favourite thing.
Look at this,
done it
guys.
Perfect. I totally did it perfect.
Ugh, God.
I totally did not.
Wait,
poke
you
it
made
before.
this yourself?
No, I got it from the shop.
This is rubbish shop slime then.
No, I got it from the slime seller. Anyway, this I totally did not poke it before, but anyways, this slime is so gorgeous, and I did not do anything with it. I literally was just playing with it, and it makes really good swirls.
Now it's stuck to my hand.
Hey!
No, it is though. Look at this, guys.
Oh yeah, but you've done that on purpose.
No, I didn't. Okay,
Anyway,
get it off. Let's get it off.
This is the video. Anyways, this is so gorgeous. And anyway, me normal self. Move on to slime. Next slime, please. Pet peeve, please.
Pet peeve is...
Constantly ripping the slime when you're not supposed to.
Oh, that's annoying.
Pause it. And don't say.
Oh,
How
poking.
good that slime is.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
But look, it's so good. And it can do this and that and this and that and this.
Why'd you keep ripping it, Sophia?
Well, it looks so cool and it's good for the video. And I'm going to get views for it.
Likely.
Hit it if you ain't scared. Hit it like you don't care.
Okay, that face was so weird.
Pause. Guys, my brother came in and annoyed us. He was thinking
Damn it.
keeps on coming back. Anyway. Oh,
Anyway, you got it on the chair, Sophia.
it's not.
This is the problem. It sticks to chairs, man. Look at that.
And
Oh, now it's stuck to my finger.
don't do that.
Sorry, jeez.
Anyway.
Now I'm gonna rub it on you.
Ew, that's my new t-shirt.
I don't care.
Anyway, let's.
Oh, now it's stuck to my shorts.
Done it.
Oh,
What's
flip
your
it.
mouth, Theo?
You now have to dance like an imp.
Sorry about that, guys.
It's just Alexander. He's being such an idiot.
And sorry about that, guys. I just need to come back to my SMR.
Oh, at least that bit didn't stick. Oh man, this is on
You've
my
done
kit.
that on purpose, though.
No, that was not on purpose, man.
You are you.
Hello.
Sorry about
Alexander, your next stare is. Oh, right, let's go.
Look at it, so cool.
Yeah, I am.
Yep.
Go on.
Pause.
For God's sake. Next is.
When they constantly don't play with the slime and they just talk about the container and talk about their day and stuff. Yeah.
So annoying.
Totally. Just roll the clip. Roll the clip.
I am rolling.
Just roll the other clip. Pause it.
Yo.
And look at this beautiful slime. And I'm going to poke it like 2 times. But that's it. And look at this beautiful container. I put a stamped Spanish sticker on it. On it says Espanol.
Español. Which makes me think it says Espanol, you are stupid.
Yes. And
Sorry, Spanish people. They won't actually know what I said though.
they won't. They probably won't watch this video anyway because we're so dumb. Anyway, look at this beautiful slime. Anyway, I'm not going to play with it because that'll be too cringy for my liking. And it's like a sandcastle, and you can make sandcastles with it.
Wow, so cool. You haven't even made one. How'd you feel?
That I'm
Sorry about this lighting.
every way. I'm fabulous, and this slime is so good.
You sounded like Isabella there.
Oh yeah. Isabella.
You guys probably won't know Isabella.
But she's just a girl.
She's a girl in our class at
That's
school.
quite annoying. Oh, I'm going to tell you this after. And this girl that we're talking about, in musical hands, when we were voting for team captains in cheer,
Yeah.
she was like, and I would like to be team captain because I'm fabulous at gymnastics and dancing, and I will help anyone. Such a lie. and I will help anyone. I don't know when, but yes, I'll help people. And that's what she said. Anyway,
She
don't
didn't
film
get the
me.
part though.
Film
She
this
didn't.
girl.
She didn't get
This
the.
one.
She didn't get the part though, did
No,
she?
she literally got 0 people voting for her. Look at it, it's so good. Anyway, I don't want to roll this clip for too long, so I want to go on to the next slime pet peeve. So,
See you in a minute. Okay, on to the next one. What's the next pet peeve?
when the table makes so much noise,
Oh, so annoying!
right? Roll the clip.
Okay, let's get started.
Take this one out. So good. Look at it. And it's
Why are you
like,
talking in that weird voice?
it's just my voice, and and it looks so good, and it just
Oh, now it looks like that thing from Ghostbusters that I can't remember. It's like named Marshmallow Man or something.
Marshmallow Man. I'm gonna make a snowman.
It's gonna be. Do you wanna build a snowman?
I don't because I'm too stupid. Don't eat yourself. I'm building a snowman.
That's very bad
And
because
I
you're meant to be.
sounds. I don't want to make a snowman because I'm too boring, and I'm just gonna make sounds. Shh. You're making my sound that makes me rubbish. No, don't. Just like.
Boop. Look at that slime, brother. Look at that slime. Look at that slime, brother. Look at that slime.
Oh no, I got it on me. And
Oh.
there's a heart.
This lighting is so cool. It like flashes different
By the way,
colours.
that's only a torch. See? It's a torch.
Hello. Oh, that's gonna blind people.
So yeah. That was the end of that slime pet peeve. I know it was so annoying, and Theo was making big noises with that torch.
Okay, the next one is pet peeve. On to the next clip. Pet peeve is.
The next pet peeve is when there's so much background noises.
Oh, so annoying.
You keep on saying that, and you haven't even made your own song out yet.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying not to, Sophia.
Oh, I like it, but even though it's annoying. Anyway, roll the clip.
But it's the background noises.
Look at this slime.
Oh, jeez, Sophia. That was so loud.
It wasn't me.
Yeah, it was. No, it wasn't. There's nobody there, Sophia.
It was the background noises. Stop it, Alexander.
That was not Alexander.
He was crying.
He was crying.
Anyway, film the slime, not me. Help me, please. Daddy. I need water. I need tissues. I need birthday cards. I need a tissue roll. I didn't think you would actually get it. Look, it's so pretty.
Oh,
I am the hand that gets stuff. No, I am just a hand. I have no face.
I just added some water to make it a bit stickier. And
That's
I
really stupid.
Oh.
Oh.
Hey. Stop it! It's supposed to be the background noises. Anyway, let's go on to the next pet peeve because this is taking forever.
Yeah, good point. Okay.
Let's put the
Next pet peeve. Oh, the next pet peeve is
when people take out the littlest slime.
that's so annoying.
Like that much.
I know, it's
And
so
Well,
stupid.
you don't even watch them.
Yeah, I do, and it's really bad. Yeah, I don't really watch them because I'm not really a fan of slime.
Anyway, I am. Because why would I have this? Why would I have this and I didn't like that? So let's. Yeah.
This
Roll
is
the clip.
actually
Roll
much.
the clip.
Roll the clip.
So this is my slime,
Slime.
and I'm only gonna take a little bit out because I don't want it to stick everywhere and get my beautiful hair really messed up. Anyways, I have to do this. So don't film me. So look at it. Look at how good this is. Let me do some pokes.
This is so bad.
No, don't say that. It's my fave.
No bad.
Let me make a big bubble with it.
Let us know in the comments if you're a big slime person or a small slime person. I want to know. Big slime, big slime, big slime.
Imagine Karina Grassi is watching this.
I don't know who that is.
Oh, yeah.
I don't watch slime videos. I watch gaming.
I'm not a gamer. I only like Roblox.
I'm not a
Guys,
slimer.
go on, send me a friend request on
On
Roblox.
Roblox, what's your name?
No ordinary girl, 1,200.
And I'm Thief.
Fifi.
Yeah, I'm TH, capital T H E capital T
Anyway, off topic.
space
Let's go
capital
to
T H E.
news.
Next clip. Pet peeve is,
When they're filming something that's completely irrelevant to slime.
and that's annoying.
It is. Guys, don't do that. Don't. I'm teaching a lesson. I'm trying to offend anyone, by the way, in this video.
Okay, what are we gonna do in this clip?
I know what I'm doing. Just
Okay,
stop
just-
it.
Today we are doing a slime video with some tissue paper, a water bottle, and some books. Yay!
Apparently, I heard you can make slime out of this. So this is full of activator.
Yes.
Activator full of it. And I thought tissue can turn into glue. It's magic. I promise. So then you just lick the whole toilet paper
That's not toilet paper.
or whatever it is. I don't know what
And
it
that's
is.
disgusting.
Then add activator.
That really doesn't look like activator.
Oh, well, it is. I don't know what it is. Oh no, this is bad 'cause it's borax and I'm gonna get like third-degree burns. Look how good this slime is. And also,
Now you're getting
now I
borax
need
all
to
over the
put
table.
Books in it. Look at this good slime.
Okay, on to
It's
the
really
next
nice.
pet peeve. Next
Then,
clip.
then just
Doing it again.
no. Bye, guys.
I'm in it now. That was really weird and cringy.
Anyways, so hope you like this video, guys. Remember to turn on the notifications and comment some ideas because we're lazy and we don't want to do it and we want to see our fans. Two of those people.
Right.
You have 7. You can't say anything.
5 more than you.
And so let's do. So Theo's keeping begging me to do his video. So bye. Just bye. Just say the byes. Byes. Byes, please.
Oh my god. I'll tell you when. Tell me when you're about to film.
Okay. I need to do this. Yeah. Oh, I don't know how to do it.
Oh, Maisie's talking nonsense right now.
Talking about science. I don't like it. There's a torch there. I'm zooming into it. I'm not filming, don't worry. I'm just.
Whoa, that's cool.
Wait, where's the container? I want to see it with this and see how it looks like filming, but I'm not filming though.
Okay, tell me when you're gonna start.
Yeah. Pac-Man in the background. I like Pac-Man.
Okay, you
I
filming?
like Pac-Man. Yes, I do like Pac-Man.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Okay, hi guys. So today we are doing